to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro. It's Bigg Vic TV. Hey, welcome to my world.
What is up, guys? Your man Bigg Vic back in here with another video, back to show you how I have the Reason Rack plugin running in the Mpc Studio. And let me show you real quick how you can get it up and running, it being that is a VST3 plugin. So let's check it out. The first thing you're gonna need to get is, if you don't have Blue Cat Audio's patchwork plug in, you need to get that. So let's pull that up. It's gonna look something like this: Blue Cat patchwork synth. So go right here to your plugins, load VST3, scroll on down to wherever your VST3 plugins are at. Boom, you're gonna see Reason Rack plugin VST3. We're gonna hit that. It's gonna say please select the plugin to insert. Reason Rack plugin, okay. Boom, let's hit that. Boom. And will you look at that? Reason Rack plugin is in Mpc Studio. Man, we can pick any one of these instruments, of course. Let's just pick boom, we can pick the subtractor. I'm not gonna do anything with it, but I'll hit a couple of notes. Alright, so that's that, right? So then you can add whatever other devices you want to add. You can hit your browser, of course, browse your instruments. Deselect that. Still can flip your rack over. Same as pulling it in any other. It's the same process as pulling it in any other DAW. That's not Reason, of course. Alright, so I use basically all Reason instruments for this track right here. Even use the redrum, one of my favorites in Reason. It's old, but I still love it. I use the redrum. And man, listen to this little quick. I'm gonna play this little quick cook up. Everything is out of Reason except the drums. I did the main drums, my main percussion in Mpc. Let's check it out. So I use the rack. Let's see. Oh, it's taking a little second to load to pull this up right quick. It's weird, but of course it's a beta. It's a beta, but it is working. Let's see. Let's pull up. So in 5, I use. Like doing all of them like this for some reason. Anyway, I was able to use But that's pretty much how you pull up your Reason Rack in the Mpc Studio. Of course, right now, you guys know it's a beta, so it's acting a little weird as far as pulling back up so that I can show you guys which plugins I use out of Reason. I'm sure that's only because it's a beta, but other than that, it pulled up fine. As you can see, when I first showed you guys it pulled up with no problems. Let's see here. Let me see if I pull that back up. It's here, but somehow the picture's just acting a little weird. Yeah, so boom. Let me close that out. But all of these instruments I created using the Reason rack and pulled them into the Mpc. This last one pulled up with no issues, you know, when I first loaded it. Let's see if it's still doing it. Yeah, the picture is acting a little weird right now, but it's working nonetheless. I'm sure once the official release drops, we won't have them type of issues over here. But it's doing that right now. But other than that, yo, we rocking and rolling. But that's how you put it in there. If you wanted to know if it's gonna work in the Mpc, yes, it's gonna work. And I got it cracking and I got it cranking, and we cooked up with it. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up this video. We got content coming. I'm dropping them bombs right now. I'm in the bomb dropping zone, right? It's your man Bigg Vic, man. Drop them comments below. Let me know what you think. Will you be getting Reason 11? Let me know down below. It's Bigg Vic, man. Always hustle, never stop growing. See you guys in the next one. Peace.